boosters. This is one of the most easiest strategies that I've ever come across. It is very simple, generated by ChatGPT. Let's try it out. And yeah, man, let's see how it works and if we can actually turn your $100 into $1,000 or $10,000. All right, so it is as simple as you think it is. So when you see it turn green, take a buy. When you see it turn red, you take a sell. Now there is a catch to this. All right, you need to see two greens in a row. That means at least two greens have to form, or two reds have to form for you to take a sell. All right, that's the only thing. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour time frame. It's the 1 hour time frame. Cool. Now let's start. Let's start somewhere here. Yeah, let's start somewhere here. Let's start here. All right, cool. Now let's say we've seen two. These are two greens in a row. Two greens in a row. That's right here. Take a buy. Stop loss underneath the low. The target a little bit high. Take profit hit. Let's keep going. So with this strategy, you want to follow the trend. All right, it's very crucial. See, it's pretty much an uptrend right now. So let's continue. We're gonna take only buys because it is an uptrend. All right. Let's take a. Let's go. Let's go 1, 2. There's a 2 sells. Okay, we're gonna take a buy here. Stop loss here. See, that was a humble loss right there. Let's keep going. 1, 2. Take a buy here. That was a humble loss again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go 1, 2. All right, cool. And see, yeah, that was a humble loss again. 1, 2. All right, cool. Let's go. Let's take this one. You can see that was, oh my goodness, so many losses in a row. 1, 2. Okay, we're not going down apparently. 1, 2. That was a sell. That was a sell right there. 1, 2. Cool. So guys, as you can see, this is a horrible strategy. It probably works, but you need to add extra confirmations. It doesn't work by itself. As you can see, you would definitely blow your account with this strategy. But yeah, man, if you know how to make it work better, tweak it and let us know in the comment sections below. Do not trade this on a live account, please.